Good morning, everyone. Week 3 of the raised bed build begins after back-to-back huge rainstorms. I took my new Chevy Colorado out for its premier drive to pick up cedar. We started to feed the new composter. We got more garden soil delivered. Justin finished the 8th garden bed. And by the end of the week, we had more rain. So stay tuned for week 3. This water is coming right off there and coming straight across the driveway down here. Oh, no, this water is going down here.
Yeah.
Oh, this is my stream going down here.
This water is coming from up here.
It's just runoff though, right?
Yeah, it's gotta come down. It's just coming off of the hillside. It's cool because it's actually hitting these rocks with the diversion.
There's like 3 inches here.
Yeah, that needs to get fixed.
Oh my goodness, look at this water.
What's in it?
Well, I would get you a hoe and have you start hoeing a trench. The trench needs to go that way, right? I mean, we don't want any more water coming this way. Did you notice how when you get to the back of it, it goes higher?
Yeah, but I mean, it's not that much though.
Listen to that wind in the trees. Oh my goodness, look at that.
I'll try and see what I can do. Find it real quick.
Listen, Justin, you be very careful. Look up when you with all these big tall trees. I don't want anything cracking and hitting you on the head. I know it's gonna warm up. Last night during the storm, I potted up 70 seedlings. This is almost all coming from this half of the hillside. This almost looks like a stream bed with the rocks coming down, and that goes into here. So this all needs to be diverted. What do you think?
It's going to take a little bit of digging. It'll take me a while to do it. And I don't know that if right now is
No, it's no.
I can shovel it, but I think for right now, for today, it's not. I can do it some other time. I can do it later.
Yeah, let's do it later.
Let it dry out. It'll be easier to.
Right. Yeah, let's work on the getting the stuff off the driveway. I used these big clods of dirt to hold it down, and they melted. You want to get that tray of leaves and sticks and put that in first. Maybe put it in here and here. Wow, the blueberries have leafed out. This one over here looks What's that?
Looks like this one.
Yeah. And I was thinking, well, you actually have this sort of thing in here, don't you? Maybe on this side?
I'll just spread
Or
it
spread
all
it
out.
around?
Yeah, that needs spread out too. So.
Yeah, that's true. Okay. Let's check this blueberry plant. Bring the little shovel and grab these strawberries, okay? There's a couple here, and I think there's some down here. Come back, come back. It's sitting down on the road over there. You think maybe that's a...
It's a hot.
Okay.
You just pick something up. Just pick up some food.
Why are those so difficult?
Root is really...
Justin is reclaiming the strawberries that fell outside the previous raised bed. Wow. Oh, there's water everywhere. I could grow rice in there. And it's coming off this hill. Here's the main stream right here. How much water is under there?
About right here.
10 inches of water under the house.
Yeah. 10, 11 inches.
It's just basically under my office, I think. That's the lowest point. You know?
Yeah.
Okay, well, just close the door and put the bricks back. We'll worry about it when it gets dried
Yeah,
out.
because I don't want to mess with
No,
it.
no, I don't want you to get electrocuted.
We need a base. Yeah. Essentially level it. Kind of back to where we were.
Yeah,
So when we put
wood chips?
wood chips in there.
Yeah. Level.
What?
You say level?
What do you mean level? Like
The whole, I mean,
just a
not
even
level
slope?
level, but even. I
That's
mean,
what I would
no
do.
steps, no steps.
That's what I would do.
Yeah, okay.
Especially if you had the gorilla cart and stuff. You
Steps
won't
are
have to-
harder.
Yeah, I would
Yeah.
just go with a nice even slope down.
Okay. Wow. Look at the size of that thing. Oh shoot. Looks like a shrimp. It's probably not gonna like being out in the sun. It's going, I'm out of here. Asphalt is not my playground. Well, I might as well just put it, it's a decomposer, right? It's gonna decompose that compost. All right, we'll just leave it in there. Just go dump it over there. We're never going to get it into this pile and back over there. Okay. He'll send out an email and call all his friends.
Yeah.
Compost! Compost at Kaye's place. Come and get it. So far we have leaves from the forest with a lot of mycelium, mycorrhizae, branches and rotten leaves and cardboard and green matter and compost, and now we're putting ashes from my stove. Oh, that looks beautiful. Yeah. Because I don't want you...
Almost went in with it, huh?
I was going to say, I don't want you in there. Yeah, we can just leave it. My hand's dirty, I'll just spread it. Okay, we're off to good. Oh, I forgot my kitchen scraps. Gotta get that. So I'm just gonna put some kitchen scraps in here. Ground up eggshells. I'm saving those for a while. Did you see that? Eggshells ground up. This is my dried tea leaves. I wonder if we should put just a few wood chips.
Yeah.
Thanks so much for watching this channel, liking the videos, and especially sharing them with your friends. And if you are a late bloomer like me starting over, I hope you'll subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and scroll down and click all so you won't miss a thing right here on my new Tennessee homestead.